First, determine if the problem is a widespread outage or specific to your device. Visit Cricut's website or use the Cricut app to check for reported outages in your area. Cross-reference with AT&T's outage map or third-party sites like Down Detector for user-submitted data. If no outage is reported, the issue likely lies with your device. Also consider the location you are in. Weak signals can be caused by location. Move to a higher location or use Wi-Fi calling if available. If there's no reported outage, start with a soft reset. Power off your phone for 30 seconds, remove and reinsert the SIM card using a SIM eject tool, then restart your device. If the issue persists, reset your APN settings manually. Go to Settings, then Mobile Network, then Access Point Names, and ensure Cricut's default APN is selected. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a full factory reset via Settings, General, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Always check for software updates and ensure your device is Cricut compatible. Network performance is strong with average download speeds of 45 Mbps, so a reset could resolve the issue.